guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I'm doing my best to film everything or film as much as possible because it's quite difficult as I don't have experience doing this before, but I'm getting better. So now I am waiting for Julia as I'm gonna change my hair color today, and I know that you guys asked me to change my hair color into blue, which is quite exciting, to be honest. But let's see what Julia says, because I'm usually very open to these changes, and she may say that I'm a little bit crazy. If she will say that it's gonna look good, then yeah, maybe we can do it. I really trust her. I think she's one of the best. Since I moved in London, she's the only one who's basically taking care of my hair. Can't wait for her to arrive. She's on her way to my home. You know, I need a change. You know that moment when you need a change and I don't want to cut it. I want to keep the same length, as it's quite long, and honestly it took me a while to make it look like this. So I'm not gonna cut it, maybe just the ends a little bit. Let's see what she says. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. I mean, I'm not doing it, she's gonna do it. I haven't really done my makeup today. I just applied a little bit of foundation, concealer here and there, because I am trying to see if the foundation is gonna last longer in this way, how I applied it today. And if it's gonna last, then I'm gonna do a tutorial and show you step by step how it looks like. So far so good. It's looking really nice, and I really hope that it's gonna look the same for the rest of the day, as I don't want to be too shiny, as I don't want to apply too much powder to retouch the makeup during the day. So let's hope that will be good. I also applied a little bit of mascara. I did my eyebrows, and basically this is the look that I am doing for a daily basis. I'm also applying a little bit of lip gloss or lipstick, a nude color. Sometimes I go for red, but not all the time, but almost all the time. And that's it. I mean, I don't want to use too much makeup, to apply too much makeup. I just want to look pretty, and that's it. Let's hope that Julia is gonna be here as soon as possible, as I'm quite excited. I'm super excited to change my hair color. I don't know what's wrong with me. Should I go blue? Huh? Should I? She's coming. There she is. Hi. How are you?
Good, and you?
Me too.
Excited?
Oh my god, yeah. Can't wait. So it's not only me who's excited, she's excited as well. And I'm looking so much forward to it. I asked on Instagram, the community, you guys, what color should I go for next? And imagine that I do love this one.
Nah.
No? Why not? It is a bit lighter, maybe too blonde, and I'm looking for something more like gray. But you know what? They suggested to go blue.
Not blue. Oh my god. Definitely not blue.
Wow.
Like a silver tone.
Yeah.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Using a highlighting technique.
Okay.
But not blue colors or like blue or...
You see
We're gonna
that
do something like
I was
that.
open for it. I was open, very open, but she's the one who is the specialist here. So
Sorry to disappoint you guys.
maybe next time, let's see. Basically say that this color is not the right one for me, as I'm looking for something lighter. So that's why I was like, maybe it's similar to this one. No, it's
Brighter.
It's brighter.
Brighter.
So I have something else. I have some screenshots, of course I have. Let me show you. What about something like this?
Like color is nice, but it's too much blonde.
Too much blonde.
And yes.
This one.
Yes, this is more like of what I have in my mind for you.
This one?
This is a block color again.
So it's not...
let's do something like more natural and still blonde. So when you get the regrowth, you're not gonna have, you know, any lines or it shows like weird.
So you think that this one is the
Yeah.
best one?
Yeah.
I'm really looking for something similar to her ends
Yeah.
here.
Yeah.
Like this, and let's say that it should be alright. I mean, it makes sense what you say, to have it like
This is the perfect color for you.
yeah,
This
okay.
is the perfect color for you. Yeah.
Say it again.
This is the perfect color for you.
Okay, let's do this then. Ba-bam. I'm so excited for it. Yeah, and I was also thinking to make it a little bit shorter.
Not necessarily, just to make it healthier.
Yeah,
Keep it
because you know,
as long as possible.
basically everyone, almost everyone is asking me on Instagram, what am I doing to my hair? Because it's looking so good. And she's doing miracles. I'm not doing too much.
This is teamwork. It's not just me. It's teamwork. Both of us.
Yeah, she's the one who's modest now. I mean, I'm just taking care of it as she is teaching me how to do it, so I'm not doing a lot. Yeah, sounds great. Super excited. Let's do it.
Yay!
That's a smile. Who's more excited now? Me or you?
I am.
Right now we are preparing the...
Lightening powder.
Okay, I don't know what's that, but you know better than me, so let's do it. Guess who's blonde? Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks to you. love it so much.
Finally. Finally.
Yes.